Pegasus II base. Let's see what we have. Nick and 4 buzzsaw. 10 technicals. 10 Hermes. And we also using electric. I always use electric. First thing I do is I soften it up. Using Chopper Company. Want to kill him. As long as you're not in a hurry, this base isn't hard. It's going to take a while. It's going to be probably more than one recording, but just take your time. And then just let the Chopper Company seek it out. Basically, we want to move up to here and just start destroying stuff. And if you go slowly, they'll all come to you. And you shouldn't get much damage. You just got to be patient, though. And when I do get damage, I'll stop and I'll just keep repairing him as I go so that I won't end up with much damage. Okay, got to get a little closer. He's not doing any damage. When they stop doing damage, you got to get a little closer. If he starts to take damage, I'm stopping. Just be patient. Let them kill him. Oh, okay, nothing is dying right now, so we got to get a little closer. Just watch and see who's dying. If nobody's dying, you're too far away. Okay, we've got to get just a little bit closer. Little bit closer. Little bit closer. Okay, here we go. Take him out. Take him out. Long as they're shooting something, we're good enough. Just make sure that he doesn't get any damage. Take him out. Up, take him out. Again, just be patient. He's going down. As long as the bars are going down, you're good. He'll attack. Here he comes. Okay, these guys, you don't really want them right now. So we're going to go up here. You want to get away from them because you really don't want to deal with them right now. We'll deal with them later. If they make us, okay, good. If they don't make us attack them, we won't. Now you got to be careful. If he starts shooting you, your chopper will fly right at him, and you don't want him to fly right at him because he will kill your chopper. You just want to take the pieces out one at a time. As long as he doesn't fly over there and get killed, you're okay. Just let him slowly kill the stuff. You're not in a hurry. Okay, that's it. We're getting out. Because see, he's starting to attack us. As long as you're patient, let it happen, you'll be okay. See, 44 seconds, nothing. But long as you just keep going. You don't have to keep stopping like this, but I don't want to have the damage. Okay. All right. That's much better. Okay, let's clear out this stuff down here. Again, there's no right and wrong order. Do it however you want to do it. But when we clear these guys out, it'll give us another line of attack. Again, send in the chopper company first. I bring him down here, then I shoot him up a little bit, and he'll take the rail out. Once he takes the rail out, I can send my Nick in. Okay, got to get a little closer. Once he takes the rail out, we're good to go. So Nick is on his way. Nick will clean up the rest of it. Get rid of the rail, and then Nick will clean it out for you. Okay, take him out. Okay, now we're going to take these guys out. As soon as you shoot once, start running. You'll kill them. They shouldn't damage you. Okay, same thing here. Watch out for the escort. Wait till he leaves. Once he leaves, we should be able to get this guy. Kill the Hermes. As soon as you shoot, take off. All right, now we're going to take out the gun. This gun will attack your chopper, do serious damage. Okay, get out of here. We got to leave because the escort will, a little bit of damage, not much. Okay, now we got to get rid of, we didn't, all right. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to use our Hermes. We're going to get rid of these guys. That way we have free reign in here. You want to have free reign. If you get into there with some of your units, it'll kill your units. So it isn't worth it. Just take them out. As soon as I shoot here, he may attack. All right, got rid of him. Now we're going to send in full buzzsaw. We're going to get rid of the Manicore. Buzzsaw are really good. They'll blow him out of the sky. Okay, that's good enough. Let's get him. Gone. All right. Just take it out a piece at a time. Don't be in a hurry. Let's go over here and see what we can get. Most of the stuff there is gone, so we need to clear out some of this stuff. There's no right and wrong order. Whatever works for you. You take him out next, and you should take him out next. Oh yeah, you got all these little soldiers. You got to take them out. They distract your chopper. So just let your chopper kill them, because if you don't, the chopper will go after them sooner or later. So get rid of them when there's no damage. Okay, he'll go over here. Take some of these guys out. You need to get rid of them because your goal is to get rid of him. And what will kill him, these guys will kill him. So just take them out a little bit at a time. Want to take him out? Well, we're too far away. All right. Okay, we got way too many things attacking us. Just reset. Too many things come at you. Just reset. Let's go back. Oh, we got damage. All right. It's probably less than a minute. But whenever I get damage, I go home. I repair it. That way I can do this all day long. I don't have to sit and wait for repairs. One second. Nothing significant. Sometimes it can be up to 4 minutes. All right, let's go up here. Once you clear out some of this stuff, we can attack him. He's the guy that we got to get rid of. He's not hard to do. He'll kill him. Bring our Nick in to help out. All right, done with him. Bring the Nick in. Get rid of him, that way it'll be easier access to get over here. So while these guys are fighting here, Nick will clear this out. You can see we're too far away because nobody's getting injured, but this is more important right now. We'll put Nick on deselect. Okay, that's done. Now we'll just move in here. Just move in and he'll start killing these guys. Okay, now he'll attack here. With him attacking there, we'll deselect and we'll have the Nick come in and clean out. Just stay away from him. He's too far away. Well, okay, he's coming after Nick. He's coming after Nick, so we want to kill the Manticore. And my buzzsaw will kill the Manticore. And they're done. All right. Now we got to get our Nick back in there. We got to get the Pegasus to come out a little bit, and then we can kill him. But we'll get Nick out here for protection. We'll get just a little bit closer. Okay, here he comes. See, here he comes. Basically, we got to get rid of him. There we go. Okay, he's killing him. Once he kills him, we'll get rid of this stuff and we'll sweep back so that he comes out. And when he comes out, we'll kill him. Because these two guys are protecting him. And you need ground to kill that.